Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So I still think this is likely the end of an ABC right here. Now we are pushing up pretty good. That definitely doesn't mean that it's going all the way back up, but I mean it is possible that anything can happen. I personally think this is like a wave one, and we're probably in like a pullback for like a wave two, and eventually it's going to go down and make a wave three. So I am definitely looking at this move up as likely just a pullback to the last wave down. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. This move up to me is definitely like a trend, so it's probably just like a wave A of a correction. And now that we have this break of structure, the wave A probably is over. It's probably gonna now like be sideways price action for like a wave B. Then I bet it's gonna go up to I'm thinking like the 50% area for a wave C. I think that this whole move down is the one. I think this is likely going to be an ABC of two, and then eventually, probably not even this week, probably next week, we'll get a big push down for a wave three. And if that's what's going to happen on the dollar, then we need to trade all the dollar pairs according to what we think the US dollar is going to do. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.